Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to create a Shopify for digital products. So this is going to be a Shopify store. So let's just say you want to sell your digital products. Really simple. Let's just say you want to sell a software. What you need to do is simply head over to products and then click on collections. You can see we have different inventory and all those sections. So you can also click on add products in here, and now it's time to add details for your digital products. You can even import it. So yeah, once you click on add product section, you will be directed towards the adding product section, and from here click on add product again, or import, then add a title for your digital product. Like for example, it's um, video editing software. If you want to maybe provide any game, so like for example you can upload any type of game that you want to sell, like for example Minecraft, Bedrock, and then you can add your description. Simply copy your title. You can use AI to generate the description, and in here we can add the description. If you want to upload a media, you can simply generate your own, or simply download something from internet as well, like for example Minecraft Bedrock. And then we need to head over to the images section. Let's just download this one for an example. And yes, all right, so we can simply head over to this upload section and go to downloads and upload this in here, and you can see our digital product is getting ready. So this is the key concept on simply selling your digital product. And finally add your pricing and other details, like for example inventory or shop location, and finally click on save. So this is how your product is now ready. It can also be seen in your themes or online store section. So everything is saved. You can click on view as an online store. You can click on this eye icon as well, and let's just see how it is going to be looking on the front end section. Alright, so here as you can see, this is how nice our product looks.